special term को?
It's not going for approval only.
It's not going for approval, so it's not approved, right? So उस केस में special term पे क्या रहेगा status?
It will be approved. Eventually, it will be approved, auto approved.
One second. I will just
तो ये दो scenarios समझना है actually. We want only trigger where legal is approving it.
So when the legal is approving it, the previous status will be something else. It will not. It will be specific status on that approval status. It will not be when it is auto approving. It's a different one. And when previous status, I'm saying final status will be approved, but previous status will be different.
So yeah, Hamsini, we wanted both the scenario
Okay.
where
Yes,
one is auto
right.
approved.
Previous status was something different, right?
Yeah.
When it goes for manual approval, the status will be different. When it's not, it will be
Assigned or
auto approved. Then it will be different one.
Rajendra, you are following, right?
Yes. Okay.
Yeah. Any questions, right? Feel free to ask.
Okay.
CPQ. This is a special term, right? MSA identifying
This
government.
is final status approved. If we will create a new code, then we will get to know, okay, this is something different.
Yeah.
So is this the template, Rajendra, for QA3 SB1?
Yes, Gopal.
936? Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. 939 Gopal, 936. Not.
So first you're creating a code.
Yeah, it's great. Here the service was returning false.
Okay.
Here service was returning false.
That MSA service.
Agreement family.
Agreement family does not match. Mismatch or match something again.
Core only.
Yeah, core only. But we want a scenario where it's matching, right?
Matching, it will skip all the approvals.
No, it will skip it, but it will be up. It will be approved. It will be skipped, but special term will be created, right? Special term will be having some status. That status they want to see.
So
Okay, you want for
yeah. So in both the scenarios,
In both the scenarios,
does it become as approved finally? So we are trying to identify a scenario where the SFBC term object is record is approved due to legal approving it.
Okay.
what is the difference between that when it's going for approval and it will be approved?
And
How we will
it is auto
differentiate?
approved. Okay.
It's going for approval and
Okay.
approved from
Here
there.
it will go for approval. This case, it will go for approval.
It will go. Okay, we will look into this
Yeah.
from the special terms.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
New code, right?
New code.
रुपए नहीं है क्या आगे?
Got it.
Will it work in dev? If you want to do the setup in dev for development,
We can do it. I think in depth 3 should be there.
it should be there.
We have worked in depth 3 only for this one. And our service, Llama service is also in depth 3.
Dev,
The only thing is we have to set it up like this.
data, right?
Data.
Code and all.
I'm getting my laptop over.
Same patches.
It's recorded. Recording is in case just not for
Okay, our team only na. What Vanaja will do? Nothing will do. Rajendra also will not do anything.
Okay, here
Yeah,
a special number
here,
come.
yeah.
Okay, so here they will add that.
Here, this MSA,
Identify governance.
So did it call the service or not yet? It called, that's why it's empty, right?
yeah. 1 second, I'll just see here also.
This is where that service is giving true.
This is true.
This is true. Okay.
In this scenario, it is false.
Mhm.
So this is a special term, MSA.
Governing. Okay.
Governing.
And it is applicable only to the new business.
No, all type of codes.
All type of
Yeah.
codes. Okay.
Since it was false, it will
Mhm.
not auto-populate.
Mm.
I think you know all this, right?
I know code
Yeah.
definition and all. Yeah. All that Q2C process. I know.
I mean, it's very different.
Special terms and all. This is new,
New. Okay.
but the process I know how to create codes, convert and all.
We should see the agreement here.
So who is on Lotus now? You or
Now Manish is there.
Manish is on Lotus.
Yeah.
Okay, nice.
I'm in sunset of RPX. But too much.
Too much. Yeah, that's true. I mean, people will give, I mean, Lotus and all limelight, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I heard like something like Narwhal, something they're using. I heard that. Some different test related thing.
Okay.
Not for automation,
Mm-hmm.
manual. For maintenance, reporting, and
Okay.
it has some dashboards and all. Yesterday, that they gave me one contact link. So I connected with him. He gave me one document.
Mm-hmm.
I just gone through it. Actually, I have to go through it.
It should be there in the data, right?
It will be there more. Yes. Sure.
Here only I can search.
Search.
The agreements is there.
It will be just converted. We can use existing one. Yes, now okay.
We should see
Last
ineffective,
one,
right?
yes.
Is it clicking the last one?
It
Ah,
should,
it
it should.
should. Okay. Here, name. Yeah, this is a country name and effective date.
Hard date. Yes.
81/24.
Yeah. So here, if you see, yeah, this got auto-populated here.
Because the service is
Yeah.
returning true.
True. Since MSA service is returning true, the special term will be auto-populated. So, I'll just add this.
What if it is the other case, false one?
False one.
78.
We should
Can we go
enter
one by one?
the. Yeah, okay.
The one which you showed, right?
Okay.
Yes.
So here it is true. It got auto-populated. Yeah.
Okay. So when it will become approved, can we see the previous status value for this?
Oh, sure. Now, anyway, it will go just to summary page. I'll open the tab, the details
Yeah.
page. Oh, that's what I said. Terminal, this one. 8:30.
It's
This is about the
Mm.
QSTs.
right. Fine.
It's in draft.
It's in draft.
Yeah.
Okay.
It has not gone to the approval submission.
Okay. Yeah.
It is draft.
It's in draft when it
True. It is true, and it will skip
Service is
the.
returning
will
true.
be draft, right?
Mm,
And eventually it will be approved.
it
So
will
what
be.
is so
Now
will it
we
go
will
from
see.
draft to approved, or is there any status?
Now,
interval?
when we don't need approval, it will go from draft to approved. Now, the second scenario is when it will go for approval.
Yeah.
Then we can
Can
see.
we see that?
Yeah.
now?
Okay.
Yeah.
This is okay, right?
Yeah. This is
Okay.
So
Yeah, we
next,
would like to see eventually how does it
Ah.
become approved or not.
Okay, we'll just finish this flow then.
And then we'll see at the history of that. Yeah.
so whenever we are sending for approvals, it will not go to the legal approvals now.
Because
Now
there's
it's-
already an MSA
Yeah,
associated.
already associated, so it will not go.
I'll just make a quick note. $22.
800.
This not wasted. There is no approvals.
What is the status of the
Yeah,
special?
I'll see now. I'll just refresh this page. It's still in draft. No, we'll submit.
Okay, so this is auto approved.
Ah,
This
yes.
code.
Mm.
Nice.
One BHK.
Something is going on. Something is going on. These many preparations for our BHK.
No. See, the thing is, I want to cook some different food today, which my wife is not cooking for me. क्या भी हो गया?
But that basket is looks good actually.
Yeah, it's good. You want one?
No, I have one when they were.
No, there are so many. I'll take this. One day I will get the access to this.
Yeah, this got approved now. It moved from draft to approved.
Record one. This record.
This one.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah. Can you go to history? Related. Related.
Yeah, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
From draft it.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we can.
Sure.
I will pull you back into the lava again.
Anytime.
Yeah, 124.
This one was there, huh?
Correct.
Start date.
Okay.
Yeah.
And this name is that
Agreement.
agreements
Agreement.
name.
Yeah.
This is the only place that we can create special terms, no?
This is the only place.
We can't create one related list.
No.
So this is. I mean, when before the page loads, it's already created, right, in the backend.
Yes.
It's already
It's
created.
as part of the data loader, it gets loaded up.
Loaded.
Yeah. Okay, I'll just open this one. So now it is in draft.
Hmm.
So it has triggered one.
Legal approval.
Yeah.
No, after you submit it, will.
Yeah, just it was still in draft. Now it will go to assemble.
the data migration, there are two new CRs for the PSA in the last minute, and it's completely the different understanding of the requirement. Now they say that it is pushing the timelines.
Oh,
Yeah, they're just tracking it in yellow.
Is that major changes?
I doubt it is a major change, but it is not about the change request. It is basically the understanding of the product. Product understanding is different. Now they just realized it came as a two CRs, which is good. At least for the NDA, it's good.
hmm.
Yeah. When we are publishing it in yellow, right, as a proactive measure,
Hmm.
they're getting frustrated.
Correct. Yeah.
They're getting super frustrated. Right? Tonight we have that open items call, right?
Oh, yeah.
We will put all the NDA items and we'll put the Kevin on spot.
It's loading some problem.
If you
Hello?
click on 2 times, you can.
It's that it is.
ये एक मीटिंग में मैं तुम्हें एक केयर शेयर कर रहा हूँ। मैं तुम्हें सीट पे गया था, तुम थे नहीं उस टाइम पे। मैं तुम्हें तीनों की तीनों केयर शेयर कर रहा हूँ अभी, ठीक है? मैंने क्रिएट कर दी है, तीसरी कर रहा हूँ, 2 कर दी है।
अपने शायद कुछ चालू ही कर
टेस्ट क्लासेस ऐड करनी है ना? हाँ भेज रहा हूँ, ठीक है।
I'm seeing the CPQ straight after a long time. Hey, Vanaja, you're on mute.
Yeah, hi, Fanny.
Hey, did you invite Dresti? Or is it Rajendra?
Rajendra.
Rajendra is.
Rajendra.
Rajan.
Okay.
So submitted.
Ah, sir.
Okay.
What is the status? Okay, you refreshed.
Oh, it's
Okay, it will be still in draft.
Here it is assigned with the legal coding. CPQ group. Shall I approve this?
Yes.
Yes.
This is the sequence.
So there's a approval status field also in that.
Yeah,
Okay.
it goes from this draft approval required, pending approval to approved.
And then pending approval to approved,
Approved,
right?
yeah.
So we can use that, right?
Yeah,
Approval
pending
status
approval, yeah.
change from pending approval to approval.
Mm.
Mm. Yeah, instead of status, we can rely on approval status.
Yeah, approval status, yeah.
Yeah, earlier one we
Can you
didn't
give
have
both
this.
the records? I just
Hmm.
both the special terms.
Codes, right? When you want the special terms.
Special term record. I'll
Okay, anything here, no? This
I'll bring it. It's
Ah.
open now.
Yeah.
I'll take it.
one is here and
Mhm.
the other one is.
So on top of it, what we are going to do, Gopal?
Hmm?
So this was the flow.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, let's say if it is approved, right?
hmm,
Then basically our automation will come in place, which will search for that agreement. There was agreement even started
Right,
by user.
right.
You see, there's a description. So we'll have to parse that,
hmm,
search for that agreement
hmm,
in the system,
hmm.
then create an AGM link between the account and the agreement.
Oh, okay.
So that next time, if again that account comes for a new quote, right? It will be auto approved. It will not go to legal because it was already
Right.
linked.
Yeah, the first case already it will be AGMs will be created, the linkages will be happened. But here in the second case, it won't be right. So
So once legal approval done, we have
then automatically the second time
we'll
it
have to
will be
approve. Second
agents
time it will be auto
created.
approved.
Auto
Correct.
approved, yeah.
Auto approved.
Okay.
So in case of renewal and add-ons, like it would be a different, again, you will trigger the approvals, is it? Like, say for new business, you are triggering the approval process and it got approved.
It will be for same account, right?
Same account.
So anyway, let's say if here on approval, if it got linked, right? Again, if there's a renewal for that account, right?
So it should ideally, it should
Auto-
not trigger any.
It should not trigger.
As we are taking the account level, I think it will be
It'll be
done.
yeah.
Basically for all the type of codes,
Correct.
upgrade and all that.
Correct.
Upgrade, renewal.
Right.
Mm.
Vanaja, Rajendra, do you guys have any question?
No fun. Gopal.
Yeah. Anyway, you can go through the recording again.
Yeah. That is 939 Gopal, not 936.
Okay. Yeah. Anyway, that template SLC term record is there, right? We'll confirm that. That's
Okay.
fine. Yeah. So yeah, thank you. Thanks
Yeah,
a lot.
Yeah,
Vanaja.
this
Thanks
really
for
helps actually.
I think this
Approval status field will use.
Yeah.
Hmm.
वो अलग अलग
So
आएगी.
this flipping of approval status would happen only
Approval is triggered.
when approval is
Approval
triggered.
is triggered, yeah.
And the only approval that is there in picture is the legal approval.
Yes,
That is for
Yeah, if you
governing
complete
MSA.
that particular special term, only for this it will get triggered.
Okay. So if something is approved, it means it's approved because legal approved it.
Yes,
Right?
exactly, correct.
Vanaja, I think yeah, we can stop recording.
No, some of it.
Are leaving today.
Today, correct.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.